Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily turn on Snapchat dark mode. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to a device, so this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your App Store or your Play Store, and then you search for your Snapchat. Now once you search for your Snapchat, you need to make sure your Snapchat application is updated to the latest version. So if your Snapchat is not updated to the latest version, you need to make sure you update your Snapchat to the latest version. Now in this case, once you are done, all you need to do is to open your Snapchat application. Once you open your Snapchat, then you click on your profile at the upper left corner. Now once you click on that, you can see over here, now my phone is on dark mode, but you can see dark mode is not showing on the Snapchat application. So now once I open my app store, you can see over here there is a dark mode because I have turned on dark mode on my iOS, but still dark mode is not showing on Snapchat. So in order to get the dark mode option, all you need to do is to click on the settings button at the upper right corner. Now once you click on that, just scroll down, and you can see app appearance. Just click on that and you can see always dark. Just click on always dark and go back. Now you can see I have activated the dark mode on my Snapchat application. So with this trick you can turn on dark mode and on your iOS and also on your Android. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a